All right, everyone. So here is step 2 in your pre-writing. So once you are completed with your pre-writing, which everyone remembers your pre-writing is this document. So once you have completed that, you will submit that to the pre-writing Dropbox. After that, from there, what you will do is you will start to rough draft your narrative. So you will use your pre-writing document to start rough drafting. So as we begin the rough draft, you are going to complete your rough draft. So from there, you are going to add in to the discussion board your rough draft. So you're going to very simply, you're going to click on the link, that gives you the information of what you need to do for your discussion board editing. So basically, you are going to collaborate with your classmates during the writing process. After you finish a rough draft, you will pick or you will create a new thread and post it to the discussion board. Once you have, you will access all of your classmates' posted work. You're going to pick 2 of your classmates and provide peer feedback on their rough draft. Your job is to help them improve their writing as they will help you, so your feedback should be constructive, not critical. To receive credit, you need to answer the following 8 questions. If you would like to, you can copy paste the list below directly into your reply to their thread and then add your answers to each question. So basically what it's saying is that you're going to copy those, then you will go to the discussion board. After you've posted your own rough draft, you are going to go in and you are going to do some editing of the 2 assignments. So we're going to click on that and you're going to start a new thread. So once you start a new thread, this is where you will type in your information and your rough draft. From there, you will go in and you will respond to other students' rough drafts. So let's say that this is a student's rough draft that they've submitted and you're going to go in and you're going to respond to it. So after you copy and pasted your information in there, you're going to go through to 2 students to receive full credit for the assignment. You have to edit 2 students' assignment and you have to answer the questions pertaining to their assignment. So just to clarify, the way these questions are set up, you can answer yes or no. However, you are highly encouraged to answer more than yes or no. So is this exposition of the story clear? Character setting phenomenon to be set up in the first paragraph. Does the opening paragraph get your attention? So basically you're answering yes and no and why you feel that way. Okay? So you need to give them good feedback. So do the characters seem interesting? If you tell them no, you need to tell them why you don't feel they're interesting. If you say yes, they're interesting, let them know what makes the characters interesting. Or you could say one character is really interesting and the other one's not so interesting. Maybe you could add this or maybe you could do that. Please give constructive criticism, okay? So throughout the questions, there's many areas where you can just say yes or no, and you're really not going to be giving your fellow classmates any help if you're just answering yes or no. So you want to make sure to say yes or no and why, okay? And actually, I may go back, and I think I am going to go back and change this to have and why at the end, just so we're clear on that. Um, So when you do that, what will happen is in your gradebook, what will pop up is you'll have your submission, and then it will tell me if you've had 2 replies. So you need to have at least 2 replies, and they need to be done well, and you really need to give constructive criticism. If you're just going through writing yes and no and that's it, you won't receive full credit. So you need to make sure that you are truly helping your classmates out with that. So this is step 2. For step 3, watch the next video.